Butt of that nut. Now I'll be able to remove that broken nut. So this is the Dremel tool. And the way to lock this in is you press down, you turn this, and then now it's locked. You know, and then the blade, you remove the blade or change the blade is, you know, just push it down and then turn. Push it down and then, let's see, push it down. Push it down, turn. Okay, I'm not sure. Oh, there we go. And then remove. You know, so you pull this sleeve back, and then you will be able to fit this blade in, or you know, remove it. You know, as this is the 1.5 inch diameter thing. Anyway, so now I just, you know, press it down and counterclockwise to release this blade holder or shaft for the blade, and that's it. You know, put everything in. So that's the grinder. You know, Harbor Freight Rotary tool. It's called Rotary, variable speed rotary tool. Chicago. You know, it's pretty good for a small job to get rid of the thing. So this is the, as you can see, 1/8 inch shank, 31 pieces set, with all the, you know, what I find, the grinding disc I borrowed from Amazon, you know, Dremel, easy lock cutting, 1.5 inch metal piece. This was from Amazon. It didn't come with the set, the rotary tool kit set, you know, but it's pretty good. I'm gonna put it back. Let's see, put it back like that, and then put it away because I don't need it anymore. You know, it's a pretty good tool kit. Yeah, let me take a picture. This Craftsman 5 pieces inch pin punch and alignment set. So I'm gonna use maybe this guy to try to punch it in to create a grabbing point so my drill bit can grab it, you know. So I'm gonna try to punch it. Use the smallest one. Does not seem to bite into it. Okay. Maybe this guy here. bigger one, punch it out. Didn't seem to work well, so I decided to use the nail. Maybe the nail will work better because it has a sharp tip. Struggle to grab it because of the tight space. Ah, there we go. It's hiding it to it. Okay, I'm gonna try to use my Titanic drill bit and see what happened there. Here we go. Too good. Well, centered. Go slow. The other thing I can do is Go slow. There you go. That's much better. Thing to nail it, or Cinnabons. I think I'm supposed to apply some oil to it. You can see it's biting into it. Apply some more oil. Seems to me I may be able to use my easy out, or the left hand drill bit, to get this thing out of there. This is just PVD penetrating oil. Very hard to get it straight, so I'm going to try my best. That's pretty deep there. I'm going to use my easy out. See if I can get this thing out of there. Okay, I'm gonna try to use this easy out. You can see the easy out is like gonna be broken or something, because it's like turned into blue color. Just not sure if I want to do this. Maybe I will switch to a drill bit to drill through it instead of trying the easy out. The easy out is really hot right now. So I put the easy out on and try to unscrew this knot, but nope.